Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust camber on your Dodge Ram 1500. First, understand that camber is crucial for tire longevity and vehicle handling. Positive camber means the top of the wheel tilts outward, while negative camber means it tilts inward. Incorrect camber can lead to uneven tire wear and poor driving dynamics. Gather your tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, a comprehensive wrench set, and a precise camber gauge. Before making any adjustments, proper preparation is key. Begin by parking your Dodge Ram on a perfectly level surface and firmly engaging the parking brake. Next, carefully raise the front of your truck using a sturdy jack, then secure it safely on robust jack stands. This ensures stability throughout the process. Finally, remove both front wheels to gain clear access to the suspension and confirm your steering wheel is perfectly centered. With the wheels off, attach your camber gauge directly to the wheel hub to get an accurate initial reading. On your Dodge Ram, you'll find the eccentric bolts on the lower control arm. These are your adjustment points. Loosen these bolts slightly, then rotate them in small increments to shift the lower control arm, thereby changing the wheel's angle. Remeasure after each small adjustment, aiming for a target camber between 0 and -1/2 degree for optimal performance. After making your adjustments, reinstall the front wheels and carefully lower your Dodge Ram back to the ground. It's important to bounce the front suspension several times. This helps settle all the components into their natural resting positions. Now, reattach your camber gauge and take a final measurement with the vehicle at its normal ride height to confirm your adjustments are accurate. For complete peace of mind, a professional alignment check is always recommended to verify all angles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.